This video will guide you through setting the time and date on your Toyota Proace II 2017 present. Correct time and date settings are crucial for navigation, scheduling, and overall vehicle system functionality. We'll cover both manual and automatic methods, ensuring accurate settings for your journeys. First, ensure your vehicle is in accessory or on mode. This activates the touchscreen without starting the engine. On the 7-inch touchscreen, locate the settings icon, usually shown as a gear symbol. Tap it to access the main settings menu. From the settings menu, navigate to System or Vehicle Settings. These categories contain system-level configurations. Within this menu, find the Date and Time option. This is where you'll adjust the time and date settings. Note, exact menu paths may vary slightly depending on your firmware version. Consult your owner's manual if needed. If you prefer manual adjustment, toggle the automatic option to off. This unlocks the ability to manually set the hour, minute, date, month, and year using on-screen sliders or input fields. Adjust each setting to the correct value using the sliders. Once finished, confirm and save your changes. The system might prompt a restart to apply them. For automatic synchronization, ensure the automatic toggle is on. This uses GPS to determine the correct time and date based on your location. This is the default setting for models with integrated navigation, Nav+. Ensure you have a clear GPS signal for accurate synchronization. This option also handles time zone adjustments. If your time and date settings revert, check for available software updates via USB or OTA, which stands for over-the-air. Battery drain can sometimes cause these resets, as weak batteries can corrupt the system's memory. Make sure your battery is healthy to prevent these issues. If problems continue, try a software patch or visit a Toyota service center for assistance. OTA updates and benefits. Since 2023, select European models receive over-the-air updates through the Toyota app. These updates fix bugs, add new features, and enhance system performance, including time and date accuracy. Make sure to regularly check for and install these updates to maintain optimal functionality and reduce the need for manual time and date adjustments. They also help resolve display glitches. The Proace II's infotainment system is trending towards seamless connectivity. Smartphone mirroring through Android Auto and Apple CarPlay allows time and date to sync from your phone, mitigating DST errors. Future integrations may include advanced driver assistance systems using time and date for predictive maintenance and diagnostics. Setting the time and date on your Toyota Proace II is a straightforward process. Choose between manual or automatic GPS synchronization based on your preference. Keep your system updated via OTA to ensure accuracy and stability. For any persistent issues, refer to your owner's manual or contact a Toyota service center. Regular updates keep your van and you on track.